Okay, so here is the first scramble. There are no blocks or pairs that are solved. The only solved thing is this yellow-blue edge, and the pieces that go with it are these two and these two. I can solve these two in 3 moves by doing a D, wide L, and then F. That also solves this edge into here. And this corner will end up being here. But if I throw in a U prime, it will be here, and it will be really easy to solve it using keyhole by doing a D prime, R, and D. And that's my second block edge, and it will be here. So D, wide L, now U prime, F to insert. Now solve these two with D prime, R, D. And my second block edge is here. And by solving it, these two won't be affected. But now these two have shown up, and I can solve them in the back. Like so. Now these two, sexy and insert. CMLL, these two are the same, these two are the same. 2 button bottom, 2 button top. I can make an arrow with U prime M2. And now my ULR edges are here and here. I can insert the side one into the bottom. And now they're both relative to each other, so I can solve them. And L for C. Okay, here's the second scramble. I'm gonna solve the yellow-red first block by solving these two in the back by doing a U, M prime, B prime. That will put this edge into here and this corner into here. So I'm gonna connect them by doing a U prime and then white R prime. Next I'm gonna insert them into the front. Okay, so that's my second block edge, and it will end up here, I think. So U, M prime, B prime. Now pair these two up by doing a U prime, wide R prime. Solve them into the front. Now our second block edge is here. By solving it, these two won't be affected and this edge won't be affected, but this corner will move down to here. And I'm gonna cancel into solving these two. Like so. Now insert them, and to solve these two, I'm gonna orient the edge and do normal CFOP solution. CMLL, these are the same, this one is the opposite one. Nice case. Now we have an arrow, I'm gonna put that one to the bottom, and that one too. Solve them, and L for C. Okay, here's the third scramble. There are no blocks or free pairs. Okay, there's one free pair, and I can preserve it while solving the rest of my first block by doing a U prime or U. That puts this edge into here, and I can solve both of these with an L2, then D, and I can insert this pair into the back with wide R and B2. And my second block edge will end up being here. So let's do that. U prime R U. Now L2 to solve both of these. D, wide R prime, B2. Now solve that one. and I'm gonna do these two and slash to orient this edge and normal CFOP solution. Now we have back zoom and 1, 1. And now I realized I can actually insert that one into here and get a U-perm. But in a real solve, I would never see that. And I would probably put that one into the back, like that. And the other one too. Solve them, and L4C.